Hello, this short video will give you a quick tour of our Canvas site. The purpose is to help you navigate through our Canvas site. Let me start with the home page, which welcomes you and also gives you like a clear and short description of the purpose of this course, what will happen in this course. Also gives you some reminders like what you should check, the syllabus, modules, netiquette, and the contact information. And you will find sort of a welcome introduction video uh, will which will allow you to see me in person. The most important tab on our site is the module tab. This tab gives you a roadmap for the semester. Our semester has 15 weeks. For each week there is a module, and here you see these modules are listed. Um, this is, by the way, instructor view, not a student view, which means you probably not be able to see all these modules at this point. You will be able to see though as you complete the modules. For example, when you complete week 1, you will have full access to week 2. The idea is to make sure that you go through these modules and you don't miss anything that you're supposed to know, you're supposed to go through. Each module will have a more or less the same structure. We'll start with instruction, what to do for that module. It will give you detailed description of what will happen for that week. Also, we'll have synchronous meetings for the first 4 weeks. And for those meetings, you'll see Zoom links provided here. Also, Zoom links for office hours will be provided here under this heading. And then there will be learning content. Under that, you'll see learning objectives set for the module, and instruction materials, slides, and instruction videos. Also, if you have any questions about the specific content of the module or specific topics discussed under the module, you will be able to sort of post those questions here. And if there's an assignment to be completed for that module, for that week, then you'll see they are listed under complete the following. Again, this will be more or less the same for all of our modules. And I'm going to go over go through the week one module and what to do in week 1. Here you see detailed introduction to the week and what will happen. And on your view, there will be mark as done button here on the right top corner of the screen, and you'll have to like once you read through this page and sort of digest it, you sort of click the mark as done button, and then you move to the next content under the margin. Here, for example, for week 1, we will have a synchronous class meeting Wednesday at 1:55 up to 30 minutes. It's a voluntary meeting, but you're strongly encouraged because it gives you an extra point opportunity. Also, it allows you to bond with your classmates and sort of helps you boosting your engagement with me and your classmates. You see the Zoom link here, information provided there. And the learning objective for the week is provided here. And also for the week 1, I provided the course level learning goals and objectives, which is important for you to understand, which gives you a sense of what to take away from this course as a whole. Please spend time on it. Again, you'll have to go through it and mark as done, and then move to the next item. And you see instruction materials for week 1. There's syllabus review. You can find the lecture slides here. There's a link for that. We're going to review past thesis. There's a link for that thesis. And also I have instruction videos, 4 videos. These are all uploaded on YouTube. And you sort of please go through them. And so that's So in these videos, I go over the lecture slides here, and so all these sort of is part of the instruction part of the module. Once you do that, you move to the next. If you have any question about the course, you can you post your questions here. Please be mindful that when you post your questions, others can see it as well, and that's good. That's good because we want to make sure that we learn from each other. And others may have the exact same questions, and so it's important that you sort of post your questions about the course in general here. And also for this week, for week 1, we have topic selection and question development as our substance class topics. And if you have any question about these topics here, again, please post your questions so others can see and benefit from your questions. And tentatively, I said we will meet like Wednesdays at 1:55 p.m. For synchronous meeting. But if you have any question or concern about it, any suggestions, make sure that you post those questions, comments here. And there are 2 assignments. The first is a discussion board. Introduce yourself. Here you see instruction for that, and the syllabus quiz here. And once you complete all of this, you will be able to move to week 2 module. So again, you cannot move to week 2 unless you go through the week 1. And one final thing to highlight is announcements. When you log in our site, make sure that you check announcements. When I post announcements, you should automatically get email, then you should get the announcements in your email. But it's possible that you may miss announcements in your mailbox, and make sure that you check announcements and so that you don't miss any. So that's all for this quick tour. If you have any question, concern, please let me know. Thanks for your attention.